Hi everyone, I'm sort of like forest bathing today. It's been a strange day today actually. It started snowing in the morning and raining, and now the sun is up, so I came out and yeah, just enjoying the nature. It's a lovely day. It's not too cold. I think today is the last cold day, and we're gonna be ready for the hot summer here. And actually I'm a reiki healer, so I just wanted to talk about rain, because rain is very, very purifying, and it's very important, not for the nature and trees and plants, but it's very, very important for all of us humans and the environment and universe. Rain has a purifying effect, and also the effects of washing away dust and pollutant floating in the air, purifying the air. Rain washes away dirt and unnecessary things accumulated on the earth, and plays a role very, very important in maintaining the balance of nature actually. And the sound of and smell of rain has a relaxing effect, reducing the stress and very, very refreshing actually for your mind and body. According to Shinto, which is national religion sort of here in Japan, not actually religion, it's more like a philosophy, because they haven't got any systematic sort of teaching or membership. It's, yeah, everybody has sort of Shinto philosophy here in Japan, because it's part of their culture. And yeah, according to Shinto, rain purifies ki or life force energy, or mana or prana, or whatever you want to call it, and raise the vibration as well. Rain is also good for purifying power stones, washing away negative energy as well. Anyway, thank you very much for walking with me.